To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children.
No, my phone's on my phone.
Thank you.
I'll get you on the next one. How many my next one? How many my next one? Four? I'll get you on the next one.
Alright, and then pull out the circle more times each as and then everybody raise those hands up nice and high. We gotta see both hands up in the air. Perfect. Just be sure to hold on tightly to anything or anyone you would like to keep and to enjoy your stay. Alright, man. And if you need anything, just
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. Discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
Oh, I hate this part. Anybody else need some airbags? Well, that was fun.
Not bad for a ride helping duct tape and bubble gum.
A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Now I know why they call it the brown
Ladies
derby.
and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant